Hello, my food lovers. How una dey today? I want to make country beans. Now my great grandma and my grandma they show me how they make the beans so nice. You don't need no spice. They chop of banana, plantain, yam, cocoa yams, etc. Now my beans I don't soak for water about 3 hours. I soak the beans. I don't select the beans soak about 3 hours. Now in that I wash and not drain the water, move and wash them again 2 times before put inside pot. Then put water, put salt. Then I'm fire that already fix and just go put on fire. So I use bunga that I use bunga for 2,000. The beans don't need the spices. Now only the bunga. So the bunga so they add sweetness for the beans where level no they that they use 1 liter granule oil, that they use pepper, just salt and maggi crevet and all that. So my bunga that they fix them and then they move and try and they put even plug that back then. And so my grandma they put them. Now my beans are already done. And they move the water but sometimes of video no be ever move water because we don't really soak and move water. But I will move water for the one, then wash them about 2 times. Then put them inside clean pot as you feel see. So I wash it beans around 2 times. Even though I don't be get for wash them because I don't move water to soak them. I don't wash them 2 times, gender water move and then put normal water now, put on fire, make the bubble. As the one bubble now reach on level, you also see the water they can't dry now. I put now that man bunga I don't really fix them. Turn and fine inside that beans, turn the bunga fine inside that beans. Turn and so well inside that beans. Maybe about 2 minutes or 3 minutes inside that beans. Then now go inside now your red oil. So at this moment now, as you don't turn that munga, it don't be inside that beans about 2-3 minutes. Go inside now your red oil. Then your maggi crevet and salt, with your pepper now all that. You don't need no spices. So as you don't put all that in the liver, me cook about some minutes. So now in that turn them well, taste them. If all things correct, liver now me say one tick somehow. You see, I don't move back there for my dry fish for my munga. I put them so as my grandma they ever put them. The beans on done so nicely and nice, see, so nice and beautiful. You don't need spices. I tell you, if you chop the beans, it go rice, cassava, potatoes, banana, yams, coconut. In fact, no, if you chop the beans, I tell you, just go try and see. I will not move that canada from bunga try because that canada from bunga na baby meat. My grandma be ever put them even in hate see banana they go na go. So I cook my own cocoa and plantain. Some people they chop cocoa, some people they chop plantain. So my cocoa that already peel them. Yes, wash them clean about 3 times. As I like my chop me clean. Put salt, go put on fire, and then they run down clean. When chop clean, so you get appetite. And my plantain to that. I don't really clean and wash and put on pot. You don't done. I this my people save and enjoy yourself. So nice. No need for complicate chop.